Hello, my name is Anna, and I'll be your guide in this Yoga Nidra practice to cultivate gratitude by grounding in nature. So, just taking those first seconds of the practice to really arrive, to really find a comfortable position. Making sure you're supported by any props, pillows, blanket, anything you might need to really get yourself as comfortable as you can so that you can find a place of rest. Maybe placing a small pillow under your head, pillow under the backs of the knees. Making sure you're feeling warm, held. If possible, covering the eyes if it's feeling safe for you to cover the eyes with a small towel or eye pillow. Really honoring this time that you have chosen to dedicate for yourself, to practice and receive a place of full rest. This restful practice called Yoga Nidra. And as you relax your body, close your eyes if you haven't done that already. Just taking a moment to scan your physical body, making any adjustments you need to really drop into stillness, feeling the parts of your body resting on the surface below you. Relaxing those parts of the body, your entire body drops to a place of deep relaxation. You're dropping deeper and deeper into the earth below you. Taking some deep breaths here. Inhaling fully and exhaling completely. Inhaling fully, exhaling completely. Relaxing your entire body even deeper and deeper. Feeling the rise and fall of your chest and belly. Experience your body, mind, and spirit. Being in this moment, present here, right now, and allowing yourself to really drop into that space of rest. Beginning to notice if your energy has been outside of yourself, perhaps giving energy to others, experiences, conversations, work. And with the presence of longer, deeper breaths, begin to draw your energy back to yourself. Really releasing the roles, responsibilities, things outside, letting them be outside as you really bring that energy back to a grounding space where you're grounding your energy back to this present moment, really using that grounding potential of the energy to relax your physical body and nurture your energy body. Grounding your energy by effortlessly resting and relaxing all parts of yourself here and now. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. You're just really resting in awareness. During Yoga Nidra, you're guided to notice and feel physical sensations. The breath, the emotions, the thoughts, and to experience yourself as the witness of all of those comings and goings. Whatever you experience here today is really perfect, just as it is. So I invite you to really connect with your breath and connect with that space of being the observer of your breath. As you welcome whatever is arising, your body and mind are learning to remain at ease with whatever arises. Discovering this place within you that is always at ease. Begin to bring your awareness to your heart center. Awareness at the center of your chest. Feeling the sensations of energy at the heart center. Allowing this awareness to bring forth your sankalpa or intention for this practice. Planting this heartfelt desire like a seed in the fertile garden of the heart. If you're working with a primary sankalpa, you can bring that in now, or perhaps you can repeat, I am grateful for the healing energy of nature always within me and around me. I am grateful for the healing energy of nature always within me and around me. I am grateful for the healing energy of nature always within me and around me. Silently repeating your sankalpa 3 times now. We now will move through a rotation of consciousness, experiencing sensation of energy in each point of the body, moving to point to point. You could even imagine a healing light touching each point I name and welcoming in the sensations of perennial life force, energy in each point. Feeling the same creative energy, all of the nature surrounding you, that is also within you. You are nature. The same energy that makes up the stars, the flowers, the trees, is also flowing through you. Beginning on the right side of the body, feeling the sensation of energy in the right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, pinky finger. Experience sensation of healing light inside the palm of the right hand, back of the hand, middle of the wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder joint, armpit, right side of the chest, heart center, sensation of energy traveling down the right side of the waist, the right hip, thigh, knee, ankle, heel, top of the foot, sole of the foot. Feel the energy in the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, pinky toe. Experience the sensation of pranic life force energy lighting up the entire right side of the body, the whole right side of the body alive with pranic life force energy. Taking your time to float your awareness of sensations, of energy over the left side of the body, feeling sensation of energy in the left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, pinky finger. Experience sensation of healing light inside the palm of the left hand, back of the hand, middle of the wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder joint, armpit, left side of the chest, heart center. Sensation of energy traveling down the left side of the waist, left hip, thigh, knee, ankle, heel, top of the foot, sole of the foot. Feel energy in the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, pinky toe. Experience the sensation of pranic life force energy lighting up the entire left side of the body, the whole left side of the body, alive with pranic life force energy. Now feel the whole left side and the whole right side simultaneously. Feel both sides together as a whole field of sensation. Feel the right foot, feel the left foot, right leg, right hip, left hip, lower back, middle back, upper back, right arm, left arm, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, forehead, right eye, left eye, mind's eye center between the eyes, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear. Experience the sensation of energy between the ears, right nostril, left nostril, upper lip, lower lip, tip of the tongue, base of the tongue, right side of the jaw, left side of the jaw, center of the throat, heart center, solar plexus, navel center, root center. Experience the whole right body side to side, feeling the right side, feeling the left side, the front, the back. Sensations of pranic life force energy lighting up the whole body together. Beginning to allow yourself to effortlessly breathe, feeling the gentle rise and fall of the breath. Now feel the sensation of breath moving in through the right nostril, breathing in and out just through the right nostril. Just holding awareness of the breath moving in and out of the right nostril. Now feel the sensation of the breath moving in and out of the left nostril. Just breathing in and out of the left nostril, holding your awareness of the breath moving in the left nostril and now out of the left nostril, holding your awareness, just feeling the sensations, holding your awareness of the breath moving in the left nostril and now out through the right nostril, holding your awareness of breath as you breathe in through the right nostril and now breathe out through the left nostril, moving from side to side, effortlessly breathing side to side. Now release that and just feel the sensation of the air moving through both nostrils. Experience the sensation of breath moving through both nostrils simultaneously. Begin to imagine your body is being held and supported by a warm, soft sand underneath you. Feel the warm rays of the sunlight touching your skin. Feel your whole body warm and supported. Now feel a sense of coolness, a cool ocean gently touching your skin. Just feeling the cool ocean washing over you, freshening your body, bringing effortless flow of the water. Now feel warm and cool at the same time. Feel the sensations of warmth and coolness together. Resting in awareness, breathing in a higher vibrational energy, and breathing out, letting go deeper and deeper. Just being aware of your connection to all that is, inviting in the quiet space to rest in this peace and gratitude that is always within you. Beginning to visualize a bright rising sun on the horizon. The warm glow draws your sankalpa to rise to your grateful heart. Repeating your sankalpa now, or repeating, I am grateful for the healing energy of nature always within me and around me. I'm grateful for the healing energy of nature always within me and around me. I'm grateful for the healing energy of nature always within me and around me. Very slowly, just slowly bringing your awareness back to this time and this space. Just feeling all the cumulative benefits of the practice and the benefits of welcoming in gratitude and the healing frequencies of nature. Just taking a moment to notice any shifts that may have occurred during the practice. Beginning to feel your toes and your fingers. Checking in with what you're grateful for and what truly matters in your life. Deepening the breath and bringing bigger movements into the body. Eventually bringing the arms above your head for a full body stretch. And then slowly yawning or doing any noises that feel good. To come back. And from that place, and slowly hug one knee into the chest, then the other knee into the chest. Giving yourself a big hug, appreciating yourself for taking the time for the practice. And then choosing one side that you prefer to lay at. Just taking a moment of pause and really appreciation for taking a moment to reach a space of rest. Connect with the energy of gratitude. And knowing that this space of connection, of peace within, always exists. All we need to do is to keep showing up again and again. And then slowly making a way to a cross-legged seat. And then slowly bringing your hands into your heart. Just feeling the hands to touch your heart, and then starting to rub the palms. Rub the palms as quickly and strongly as you can, feeling a sense of heat. Once you have enough, you can slowly bring the hands back to your face. Inhale that heat, that peace, that space. And once you exhale, you can slowly bring the eyes open. Bow your head down to come back. And with that, I welcome you back. I thank you very much for practicing with me today. And if you feel a sense of rest, and if you feel you have the capacity to share that practice with someone special that you're extremely grateful for, I will be extremely grateful. That's how we keep raising our vibrations. And from that place of sharing and keeping to practice, we all reach a deeper state of consciousness. From my heart to yours, I look forward to seeing you next time.